Now, this is what you have to understand very well. After you are done creating your account like this, you head to the top over here. Since you are using a laptop, this is a laptop interface. What you're seeing over here is a laptop interface. But if it would have been a mobile phone, if it was to be on our mobile phone like this, we will have our secret face first before we head to this interface. But since it's it's a laptop, we have to, after creating the account like this, you have to go to the backup. You have to click here, backup your secret face now. So you come here and then you go to the secret interface to have your secret face. Now you click on show. Okay, so this secret interface is 12. Okay, you just have to type in your password for the sake of this video. That is why I'm doing this. Okay, so this secret interface is what is written over here. Make sure you jot it down. Don't store it digitally. I repeat, don't store it digitally. I mean, digitally means don't put it on your phone. Don't type it on your phone, but rather get a pen and a paper, a sheet of paper or a book or a jotter, and then write it down, because it's very needful. When these keys interface get lost, all your access in this wallet will be lost forever, and you'll never find it anywhere again.